What up, NFT fam? Let's see what the news is today. These are some NFTs that I drew while in a space just now. I don't have any new ideas, so I just drew these two. Um, this is some Gary V merch. So this is coming out spring summer 22. I thought these were gems, but they're not. If you zoom in, it's just the word kind, which is nice. I bought my first Solana NFT, so on this is my Phantom wallet. Oops, I can't show you. Anywho, so this is what it looks like. There's like a point in the wallet where it goes like it's got like squares and that's where all your NFTs are. And I think one of the popular Solana websites is magiceden.io, but it's still like a very foreign place for me. I'm so used to Opensea and like, looking on Twitter. So I don't know. I'll explore it more, but I'm slowly getting into Solana. Prism always comes to my spaces. So this is my way of giving back and saying thank you. And it's my first Solana NFT. Billion came into the space today. He said he's challenging NFT artists to shill each other's work, create a tweet about another person's project, and use the hashtag Billion Army Challenge. Do this on your timeline, and if possible, pin it up in the shill rooms. Personally, he'll be shilling for his followers for 10 days. So he's trying to bring awareness to shill for other people as well, which is really sweet. These were some other NFTs I did, Feeling Alone and Fall, like the color fall with all the leaves and stuff. I'm very happy that you brought my first Solana NFT from Prism. Woohoo! Yes, thank you. This is what it looks like. This is the square I was telling you about. This is what the Phantom wallet looks like. So when you click here, these are all your NFTs. I don't really know how it works yet. There's not like a way to sell. I don't understand, but it's different than OpenSea. But I was happy I got a pink one. So I was like, woohoo, pink. So we just finished having a space for the Simple Man. So when I saw this picture, crazy to think this is how low my life has gotten, reaching closer to rock bottom. I still don't think I'm there yet. However, it's the closest I've ever been. And then the fridge and the freezer with no food. I was like, oh no. So I told him to turn his tips on. So if you go to his page on your phone, the Simple Man J_5 on your phone, there's a way for you to donate either crypto on Venmo or Cash App. So donate whatever you can. I sent some money, my friends sent some money, so donate a little bit because this fridge is too empty. So I wanted to bring some awareness to that as well. This is Gary V. Get a VCon ticket, and when you see the art and what the artist is, I promise you'll be double happy. So let's see what the price of VCon tickets are right now. 2.14. I remember it was 1.3 a few days ago. So that's coming. I don't know when. Tezos NFTs are coming, and also Solana might be coming to OpenSea as well. So I thought this was cool. At least it'll all be in one place. I won't have to be confused across all the different blockchains everywhere. I was in a space today. Someone said, great looking art, well spoken, courteous, give her a follow. Oh, and great looking art. Thank you so much. This was my little retweeting my work. Tomorrow, it seems like there's a stamp. Well, not tomorrow, it's already Saturday. There's a stamp collection coming to VeVe. And there's also another thing. Let me find it on my phone. Give me 1 second. It is called 1 minute. So at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, it's the Title 9 Post Office stamp, and then Baseman's Toby is going to be 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll try to get both of them tomorrow and videotape it if I could just wake up. Like, my sleep schedule has been so funny. I woke up too early. I took a nap, and like by the time I woke up, it's like too late. So, I'm just gonna try to wake up for these because I'm excited about them. What else do we have? Bored Ape Yacht Club merch is coming in on Monday in a couple of days, but payment is only with ApeCoin. So that's exciting. So that's probably going to get the ApeCoin moving a little bit because people are going to want to get these hoodies. This is another project that I've recently discovered. So you guys know how hard it is for one of one artists to um, basically, make sales. This is called Scribbles. And if you go to their, like they just joined, they barely have any followers. This is absolutely insane. They've already traded 7 ETH, but it's the cutest stuff. Like want a bone, I care it about you, suck it, feeling peachy, hardcore, ass. Like the art is funny and witty and simple and colorful, and all of them are gone. So so the floor price is 0.24, and she has some drops coming out, 13 pieces at 5 p.m. CST Saturday and 5 p.m. CST on Sunday. So I'm going to try to grab one of these tomorrow for 0.069. And I hope I can, because I think there could be some resale value there. Let's see if any of them have gone. Yeah, like this one was purchased for 0.399, 0.299, 0.3, 0.4, 0.4. So like people are paying for this like insane amounts of money. So I'm going to try to get in on this and flip it if I can, because there's something very special here. I don't know who this person is. Um, Daily Scribbles, because I feel like it by me. Oh, it's one of the lemons. One of the lemons started a PFP project. This is great. Wait. Okay. You see what happens when you build up community? Like you will sell out your project. So this is awesome, because I was like, who is this person? Now I know they're a lemon, and the lemons are really close knit. So this is awesome. What else do we have? This is my piece on foundation. I made a collection when I got a foundation invite called Swirls. Nothing has sold, but I have it up there because it's supposed to be a more bougier place. No Futuristic was replying to something, and he said he wants to point out that I've been crushing it. I've been in this space with a few followers, and in this space of 6 months, grown almost to 7K and sold a decent amount of work. So thank you so much for the acknowledgement. This was a good tweet. NFT tips of the day. Before you go into a giant shill space, create a new pinned tweet so you can see how much engagement it gets you. Always have a link to your NFT collection in your pinned tweet with an image or a GIF, and stay positive and be patient. I got 7 retweets on that, so that's nice. Each piece of the collection is so interesting and different. Thank you so much, Elena. She retweeted my work, so I appreciate you. This is my Patreon page. If you want to support me as an artist, you could do like $5, $10, $20, whatever you want to donate to me per month. I will have this in the description of this video. This video from Prism talks about, like, he shows how he realized that Solana may be coming to Opensea. So check it out on his channel. This is my good morning tweet. I was on Coinbase and I saw this article. Madonna becomes the latest celeb to flaunt a new Bored Ape. So the Bored Apes are going. This was my good morning tweet. Tiffany's got into, what is that one called? It's like rockets, Satchman. What the fuck is it called? I know it's Satchman rockets. What? Tom Rockets? It's Tom Satchman Rockets. What the hell is this project called? This is gonna drive me nuts. Okay. Tom Sachs. It's not Satchman. It's Tom Sachs. Tom Sachs Rocket Factory at 2.2 ETH. This used to be at 7 or 8 ETH, I remember. So Tiffany and Co. just purchased one of these, which is really interesting. So they are a part of the metaverse now, the NFT world. I'm sure they're going to be dropping a project as well. So I might as well turn on notifications for them. I'm like looking around. I don't see anything NFT related besides that. And that's it for now. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. And this is my project. We're at 667 NFTs, so grinding our way to 700, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!